Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Air Rockets is probably one of the most exciting and educational toys for kids that you can find on the market. It allows children to learn about basic physics principles such as air pressure and Newton's third law of motion in a fun and engaging way, while also fostering creativity and problem-solving skills through building and launching their own rockets. This National Geographic Air Rockets kit provides everything you need for an unforgettable science experiment, sparking curiosity and a love for STEM subjects. Number 5. National Geographic Air Rocket. It's time for some outdoor fun. Just jump on the launcher and watch your rockets fly up to 100 feet high. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. These aren't your average rockets. Each one is equipped with LED lights, creating a spectacular light show in the night sky. Prepare for an amazing display. It's more than just a toy. This rocket launcher comes with a learning guide that explores the physics of flight. It's a great way to make learning fun and engaging. Get active and explore science. It encourages exercise, scientific discovery, and improves fine motor skills. Every launch is kid-powered. We are committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. If you have any issues, let us know, and we'll make it right. Enjoy. What we like. It boasts LED-lit rockets for a dazzling night show, soaring up to 100 feet. If you're looking for an exciting and educational outdoor toy that combines fun with learning, this is the perfect choice for your kids. It's ideal for kids who love STEM activities and spectacular light shows. What people say. The rockers are good quality and really cool that they light up. Lots of fun for kids and dad, easy to use. Went on all the summer camping trips. The toy itself is durable and easy to set up. It doesn't fold up all that small, but it doesn't take up too much room either way. The light feature is fun and the kids love waiting until dusk to do a night launch. There is an included science lab sheet and our kids love doing this as well. It's a win-win. They're learning and having fun. Number 4. National Geographic Air Rocket. It's time for a blast-off. With this kit, you can compete against a friend or work together to launch rockets up to 100 feet in the air. Everything you need is right here: 2 pumps, a dual launch pad, and 4 foam rockets. Get ready for hours of outdoor fun. It's more than just a game, it encourages exercise, exploration, and skill development. The adjustable launch tube lets you experiment with different angles for amazing flights. This isn't just a toy, it's a science kit. Learn about rocket flight, motion, and aerodynamics with our detailed learning guide. It's a great STEM gift. We're committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. What we like. This one features a dual launcher, allowing for races or collaborative launches. It comes with 4 rockets, perfect for friendly competition or teamwork. If your kids enjoy playing together and love a bit of friendly competition, this is the ideal option for them. What people say. The rockers are good quality and really cool that they light up. Lots of fun for kids and dad, easy to use. Went on all the summer camping trips. The toy itself is durable and easy to set up. It doesn't fold up all that small, but it doesn't take up too much room either way. The light feature is fun and the kids love waiting until dusk to do a night launch. There is an included science lab sheet and our kids love doing this as well. It's a win-win. They're learning and having fun. Number 3. National Geographic Rocket Launcher. It's a rechargeable rocket toy that can soar up to 200 feet. Enjoy up to 20 flights on a single charge. Choose from 3 different launch heights with the simple push of a button. It's easy to adjust for shorter or longer flights. It has a unique design with rotor blades that help it land safely. No more worrying about lost rockets. This set comes with a launch pad, charging cable, and decals to customize it. Get ready for liftoff. It's a fun and educational toy that encourages hands-on learning. We stand behind our products with exceptional service. What we like. With its motorized function, this rocket reaches incredible heights of up to 200 feet. The safe landing feature ensures worry-free play. If you want a high-flying, technologically advanced rocket with a safe return mechanism, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy for him to launch, goes up pretty high, and the way it comes down like a helicopter is as cool as how it goes up. It really works well and is rugged enough for someone who can be careful with it. The rocket deserves 5 stars for its engineering, performance and fun level. Number 2. NASA Air Rocket Launcher Kit. Get ready for liftoff. This kit provides a safe and exciting way to launch model rockets up to 250 feet in the air using compressed air. It's incredibly simple to operate. Just assemble the launch pad, pump it up, and watch it soar. With its innovative safety features, including a tilt sensor and electronic valve release system, it ensures safe launches every time. It's perfect for outdoor fun for ages 14 and up. Unlike traditional rockets, it uses compressed air, eliminating the need for costly and potentially dangerous engines. You can launch the included rockets again and again. Watch your rockets reach impressive heights of up to 250 feet. It's a thrilling experience for everyone. We've got you covered. Download the troubleshooting PDF and watch our helpful video for assistance with any launch issues. Enjoy hours of fun. What we like. This rocket uses compressed air for launches up to 250 feet, offering an affordable alternative to other models. It's packed with safety features for peace of mind. If you prioritize safety and affordability without compromising on height, this is a great option. What people say. Assembly involves screwing the 3 legs onto the base, putting batteries in the base and wireless remote, and spinning the launch stand extension tubes onto one another. We had it done in about 10 minutes. Because of the no parachute design, the rockets landed within about 30 feet of the launcher. That made rocket retrieval fast. We were able to do several launches every couple of minutes. The product worked extremely well. Our launches sent the rocket well over 200 feet in the air. The rockets are durable. When they come back to the Earth, their nose cone simply bounces off the ground. We launched in a slight wind, and the rocket came down within 30 feet of us. Number 1. Stomp Rocket Ultra Launcher. Get ready for hours of outdoor fun with the Stomp Rocket Ultra Launcher. It's a fantastic way to encourage active play and make lasting memories. Watch it launch up to 200 feet in the air. That's almost 20 stories high. Imagine the excitement at the park, beach, or playground. It's more than just a game, it's a STEM learning experience. Kids can experiment with gravity and force while having a blast. It's 100% kit-powered, no batteries, cords, or plugs needed. The durable base and safe rockets are built for hours of active play. For 3 decades, it has been bringing joy and STEM learning to kids worldwide. Get ready for happy stomping. What we like. This rocket is entirely kit-powered, launching up to 200 feet with just a stomp. It comes with 6 rockets for extended playtime. If you're looking for a simple, active, and fun outdoor toy that requires no batteries, this is perfect. What people say. The Stomp Rocket Ultra Rocket Launcher is a fantastic toy for kids, combining simplicity with hours of entertainment. With just a stomp, kids can send foam rockets soaring high into the sky, sparking excitement and active play. The set includes 4 foam rockets that can fly impressively high with minimal effort. The flight trajectory and height are genuinely thrilling, keeping kids and even adults entertained during playtime. The adjustable launch stand adds an extra layer of fun and creativity. Kids can change the angle to experiment with different flight paths, introducing a bit of STEM learning as they discover how angles and force affect the rocket's motion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.